We have created this super interactive React app in the last few videos. Now, we are going to make it alive by hosting in the web. So, let's start. First, we need Git for version control, which means whenever we want to update anything in our app, we have to push it as a version to the server. For this, we need a mediator between us and the server, that is Git. Git helps us to commit, push and keep records of these versions across our app. Now, go to github.com and create an account using your Gmail. The homepage will appear after you logged in. Click on your profile and select your repositories. Repositories alias repo means a container that hold our project files in the Git server. Now, click the plus symbol and select New Repositories. Here, enter the repository's name and its description. Then scroll down and click Create Repository. Okay, now, a new empty GitHub repo has been created successfully, and we are now on its homepage. Here, there are two sets of instructions to connect our local app with the Git server. One is, create a new repo from the command line, second, push an existing repo from the command line. Both of them are referring to a term called command line. Command line, also known as CLI, means getting things done via commands. In depth, our computer operations are done in two ways. One is GUI, the graphical user interface, and the other one is CLI, which is the command line interface. GUI means doing things using the graphical interface and CLI means doing things using the commands. For example, creating a new folder by clicking on New Folder inside a directory is GUI. On the other hand, opening terminal or command prompt in your system and creating a new folder using the command mkdir space folder name is CLI. Command lines are powerful and fast, while GUI are more visual. So, it's better, as a programmer, to master CLI. Okay. Now, let's connect our app to Git using the VS Code terminal. For this, we need Git installed in our system first. For Mac OS, the Git is automatically installed with the command line tools. For Windows, it has to be installed using the link I have shared in the description. After installing Git, we have to authenticate our Git account in our system, and it could be done by referring to the link which I have also shared in the description. After completing the authentication process, we have to initiate a local Git repo using the command git init. Open VS Code and enter the git init commit. Next, we have to add our folder to the staging area using the git add command. After adding to the staging area, we are going to save the state of our project using the git commit command. Next, we have to declare a branch for our app using this command. Next, we have to add the remote git URL. At last, we have to push all our commits to the repo using the push command. It would take a minute. After pushing our project, we can now see our folders in our GitHub repo. Okay. We have now successfully connected our app to the GitHub repo. In the next session, let's make it live on the web. See you in the next video.